Aloha! This is Tom, the co-author of the Hawaiian-Style Musubi cookbook, and today I'm going to share with you 4 ideas for making green eggs and spam musubis. This video is sponsored by Codecraft Musubi Makers, innovative, high-quality musubi tools. It's easy to make green eggs and spam with just a few common ingredients: eggs, spam, nori, rice, avocado, spinach, American cheese, green onions, and food coloring for added fun. My first green eggs and spam recipe is Avocado Egg Musubi. Select a fresh, soft avocado. Cut off a slice, about 3 tablespoons worth. Mash it up. Add egg and scramble. To cook, set the stovetop to medium heat. Place the egg mold in the pan. Grease the egg mold with spray oil. Clean up the excess oil so that it does not splatter when you add water later on. Allow the egg mold to heat up. The oil will recede to the sides, creating a seal for when you add the egg. Add the egg mixture slowly. Allow the egg to firm up before you add the water. Now add the water slowly. Be careful, it might splash. Add a cover and allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. You will know when it's getting close to being done, as the eggs will start to puff up like marshmallow. Remove the lid and allow the excess water to burn off. Remove the egg mold by picking it up with a pot holder. Then turn the egg over to ensure that it's cooked all the way through. Fry up some spam, and then you can start assembling the musubi. Fill up the small kind mold about 3/4 high, and then press down. Remove the mold, add your spam, add the avocado egg. Wrap with a 1/4 sheet of nori, and you're done. There you have a delicious avocado egg musubi. My second green egg and spam recipe is my favorite, spinach and egg musubi. Chop up 2 to 3 tablespoons of spinach. I use frozen spinach. Then place in a bowl and add 2 eggs and scramble vigorously. Grease the Codecraft Any Kind Big Pan by spraying oil on the 3 cavities and spreading around to ensure it is well covered. Clean off the excess spray oil so that it does not burn during cooking. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of egg and spinach mixture in each cavity. Set your oven to 350 degrees. When preheated, place the bake pan on the center rack. You can put the bake pan on a cookie sheet if you want. Let the eggs cook for about 15 to 16 minutes. Remove the bake pan with pot holders and let it cool. Now we can begin assembling the musubi using the Mobetta Musubi maker, since we need 3 cavities. Add rice to each cavity, about 3/4 high, and then press flat. Remove the mold by lifting up on the musubi maker while pressing the rice blocks down with the press. Add a slice of spam to each rice block. Then add a half slice of American cheese. Now add the egg spinach patty and wrap it all up in 1/3 sheet of nori. This is a very tasty musubi that I'm sure you'll enjoy. My third green eggs and spam musubi is a green onion egg musubi. This is a classic and popular egg recipe. Simply slice a green garden onion and add it to a scrambled egg mixture. Cook it using the same method of greasing the egg mold and allow it to get hot before slowly adding the egg, and then water. And you can see you need to be careful because the oil in the water does not mix. Note that if your skillet is warped, the egg will leak out of the mold. I cook it for about 4 or 5 minutes and then turn it over and cook it for a few more. Assemble the musubi by filling the mold 3/4 full with rice and press down. Add cooked spam and the green onion egg patty. Wrap in a 1/4 sheet nori. There you have a delicious green onion egg musubi. Okay, if my last recipe was not green enough, my final green egg and spam recipe is green colored egg musubi. This is just a variation of the last one. Scramble eggs with green onions and add 1 or 2 drops of food coloring. Add the egg mixture to the greased and preheated Co-Craft egg mold. Then add water. Cover and allow to cook. Remove the mold with a pot holder, then turn over the egg to ensure that it's fully cooked. Assemble by filling the small kind mold 3/4 full with rice and pressing. Remove the mold and add your spam and green egg patty. Wrap in nori, and there you have it, another delicious green egg and spam musubi. Subscribe to hear about our future idea recipes, and remember to leave a comment and a like. Mahalo!